Morning student, this is your computer class and this is the second part of chapter number 7. In the last video we learned about unordered list, ordered list and definition list. Okay, today we learn inserting image. Images enhances the appearance of the back page. Moreover, it will add meaning to the complex concept and can be easily understood by the reader. It is an empty tag. HTML allows you to insert the following image formats: GIF, graphics interchange format, JPG, joint photographic expert group, PNG, portable, network graphics. Image tag is used to insert images. Okay, this is the image tag. It has the following attributes. SRC is the attribute, description and an example. It stands for source. Okay, it specifies the URL or the location of the image. The image can be stored in any folder of your computer or may be a link to a back page. Image, this is the open and this is the close of image, and under the image tag it is written SRC equals to, and this is the image. Okay, this is the source of image. We can also see this is the path of image. Okay. Now height and width, it specifies the height and width of the image. The value is expressed in pixels. Okay, this is the image and close, and here we write here height. Okay, this is the height and this is the height of image. Okay, width of image. Now align. It specifies the alignment of the image. The image can be vertical or horizontally aligned. Value for vertical alignment is top and bottom, and value for horizontal alignment is left, middle and right. Okay, by default the image is left aligned. Okay, by default it is left aligned. Image SRC equals to school.jpg, align equal to bottom. Okay, and here we give align equal to right. Got it? See this border, it specifies the width or the thickness of the border around the image. The value is specified in pixels. Image SRC equals to school.jpg, border equal to 6. Okay. Now alt, it specifies an alternate text that the browser displays if the image is loading or cannot display. Image SRC equals to school and alt equal to Google. H space, it specifies the blank space to left and right of the image. It is horizontally around the image. Okay. H space equal to 35 in inverted comma. Okay. Now V space, it specifies the blank space to the top and bottom vertically around the image. Okay, V space equals to 35. Now no more. If you do not specify the height and width of the image, it will insert it in its actual size. Okay, align and border attributes are not supported by HTML5. Okay, align and border attributes. To view the location of the image, right click the image and select properties, select location and has the path on image. Okay, now inserting an image using SRC attribute, this is the format of HTML, and here we write image open close SRC equal to, this is the path of image, and then output is this. Okay, now understand these examples. Example number 13, inserting an image using width attribute. Here you see this is the source of image and here it is written width equal to 350. Okay, so this image shows the width. Okay, and is the source of the image. This is the output. Here it is here is using height. Here we give width also and height also. So this is height also and width also. This gives the output. Okay, here we are using border, height, width, and this is the border. Border equals to 6. Okay, so in output this is the border of the image. Got it? And see here, this is the alt attribute. Here we write alt equal to Google, so this becomes the alt, and in this here it is Google. Okay, this is the output. Now top align attribute, this is the paragraph align equal to justify. Okay, we write align equal to justify, and this is the paragraph we write. Okay, and here is the closing paragraph. And see, this is the BR type. BR, it breaks the line. Okay, so whenever his output is given, so it breaks the line. And after that the school is written, then image and sources of the image, align top width of 50, height 50, and border equal to 2, alt equal to Google. Okay, so this is the output. Here this is the out this is print, and then break tag is here. then break the line, then again paragraph is right, and then the school, and then the image of the source. So we write here source of the image, so image is come, and then the output. Okay, got it? Now same here, this is the middle align attribute, so we using middle align attribute, and it comes as middle. Okay, and here we use bottom align attribute. Okay, and this is also left align attribute. Okay, and this is the right align attribute. Understand? See this align equal to justify, and this is the paragraph, and the school, and everything is written. Okay. Okay, student, this is the, here it is given align equal to right, and here it is given align equal to left. Understand this, student? See here, it is the align equal to left. Okay, H space is also using. We using H space, so it is the horizontal space. It gives the horizontal space. Okay, and here we using V space, means vertical space. So here it is given vertical space. Okay, students, this is the V space equal to 35. Okay. Now embedded audio. You can easily insert audio files in a web page. The audio tag specifies a standard way to embedded an audio files in HTML file. There are 3 supported audio formats: MP3, MPEG, motion pictures experts group, layer 3, BAVE, BAVE form audio file, OGG form, the jargon word OGG. The attributes are SRC. It defines the URL or the address where the audio file is hosted. This is the source SRC, and this is the source of MP3. Okay, and then MP3 audio. Okay, then type, it defines the file format. Okay, this is the source, and this then type equal to audio MP3. This is the type. Okay, now controls, it adds audio controls like play, pause, or volume. You can control from here. Okay, this is the controls. Now the source tag defines multiple media sources for media elements such as video and audio. It allows you to specify alternative audio video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. Okay, now no more, the text between the audio and the close audio text will only be displayed in the browser that do not support the audio tag. Okay. Google Chrome and Firefox support all 3 formats, whereas Internet Explorer supports only MP3. Understand? Now embedding video. The video tag specifies a standard way to embed a video file. There are 3 supported video formats: MP4, WebM, and OGG. Moving pictures experts group, MPEG, layer 4, BAB media, and from the jargon word OGG. Got? Now no more. Google Chrome and Firefox support all 3 formats, whereas Internet Explorer supports only MP4. These are the attributes. SRC, it defines the URL of the address where the video file is hosted. Okay, this is the source. Then SRC, this is the video of the source, yeah, path of the source. Okay, now type, it defines the file format. Source SRC, this is the SRC, and this is the type of the video. Okay, now width and height is also given. This is the width and this is the height. Okay, height of the video. Okay, it says the height and video of the height and width of the video. If height and width are not set, the page may flicker while loading the video. Understand? Flicker. Okay, page will flicker. Controls, it adds videos controls like play, pause, volume. Okay, we also give control also. Now this is the example. See, audio controls. We use here audio controls. Source, this is the source of video, and this is the type audio. Okay, this is the type of audio, and control also we use. So this is the output. Okay, this is the video source. Here is also using, we are also using video. So this is the video of the source, and this is the width, and we given the height, and then controls we are using. Understand? Okay, student, this chapter I have finished, and exercise of this chapter I will provide you in PDF. Thank you, student. Stay home and stay safe.